YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick video on how I revive my curly hair. This is Brazilian curly hair from Longqi hair company. They sent me 3 bundles of their Brazilian curly hair, a 20-inch, an 18-inch, and a 16-inch, and I also have a 16-inch frontal. The hair came packaged in this really nice cute little box right here, and inside was the hair, and it also came with a netted weave cap. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video on how I kind of tame and revive my curly hair, because I actually slept in this wig last night by accident because I was knocked out from partying. But yeah, I slept in this wig last night and it kind of just, you know, got like this. Now, one thing I like about this hair is that even when I wet it, it dries really fast. So when the hair dries, it looks like this, but more like the curls are more formed. Like it's not as wild and brushed out. I did make this hair into a wig. I did the hot glue gun method. I sewed down the frontal and then I laid the tracks with hot glue. And yeah, that's how I made this particular unit. If you guys want me to make a video on how to hot glue gun with a frontal, just thumbs up this video and I'll definitely do one for you. All you're gonna need is literally a bottle of water with any kind of conditioner in it. I personally don't care what kind of conditioner I put in it. I've been using this packet from you know, when you get hair from the beauty supply store and they give you like a bunch of samples and shit. So this is what I've been using. It's the African Pride Shea Butter Miracle Moisture Intense Bouncy Curls Pudding and Buttery Cream. I just use whatever conditioner I have on hand, but this has been working really well for this hair. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like now. I personally like this look, so I'd go out with this look as well. This is some nice hair, y'all, and it's super duper soft. And even though it's dry and in its curly state, I want to show you guys how easily, not only how soft it is, but how easy it is to detangle. Now, y'all know curly hair when it's dry, you can't run a comb through it when it's dry or you'll get a lot of snagging, a lot of tangles, a lot of knotting. But look at this hair, y'all. Like, this hair is dry and look at how easily I'm sliding my comb through. Like, this hair is so soft. This hair is so full. I did use all 3 bundles to make this wig. I did not have any hair left over. But look at how full this hair is, guys. Like, y'all. Seriously? And then the 20-inch reaches my boob area. A little bit below my boob area. So, yeah, let's just get into this really quick styling. So, like I said, you're just going to need a spray bottle with water and conditioner in it. And I showed you the 2 products that I put in my hair, or in the water bottle rather. You're also going to need a towel or something to go around your neck because we will be wetting our hair. You could do this in the shower, but mine is a wig, so I don't have to. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to shake up your water bottle, and you're literally just going to part your hair in 2. And you're going to start from the bottom and literally just start spraying the hair. You want to make sure that your water bottle is, like all the contents in your water bottle is nice and shaken up so that you can evenly distribute the water in your hair. I don't know if y'all can see all this water flying, but also, I did bleach the knots on this frontal, which is why it's laid so nicely, if I do say so myself. And just look how easy these curls snap back. Like, not only look how easy they snap back, look how pretty they are. Like, look at how freaking pretty these curls are. Let's look at the difference, y'all. Now, like I said, I definitely wear my hair out like this. When I wore it, when I went outside and it was kind of wet like this, when it did dry up, it was like a really pretty scissor-like, you know, natural, really natural looking curly hair. So it looked really good. So this is what the hair looks like when it's dampened with water. Super pretty. I can easily run my fingers through it, as you guys can see. I'm not having any trouble in that aspect. So this is what the hair texture looks like up close. And this is what it looks like when it's dry. So I'm just going to do the same on this side. Now, literally, guys, it's not rocket science. Like, I know wigs and weave and taking care of hair can be really intimidating if you don't really know what you're doing or you don't necessarily have the experience. But I'm telling y'all, practice makes perfect. The people that know me know I literally watch YouTube videos 24/7. Like, I'm never not on YouTube, like, honestly. Let me move my cord out the way because it's definitely getting wet and I'm not trying to get electrocuted. So guys, I do not have this wig laid down. I did do the elastic band method, so the wig is pretty flat to my head without me having to actually use Got2b or any type of adhesive to lay it down. So I'm not going to do that for the purposes of this video because I am taking this wig right off. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks when it's damp. Let me take off the towel because it's annoying me. So yeah, this is how the hair looks when it is dampened. And I do like to make sure that there's a healthy amount of water going throughout this unit because we want to make sure the hair is nice and coated with water. So now I'm going to take the bouncing curls pudding, the same thing that I put inside my water bottle. I'm just going to take a little bit, rub it in my hands, and put it in the hair. And that's literally all I do, y'all. Like, scrunch it up a little bit, get them curls nice and popping, and boom. Look at that. Mad cute. I like to make sure I get the nape of the neck since that is what usually tangles and mats up pretty quickly, especially in curly hair. Simple, right? Super simple. I didn't get a ton of shedding and stuff like that. I want to say that the hair that did come out is from me plucking this unit because I did actually pluck the hairline a little bit more when I took the unit off. And just in case you guys thought I was fronting about it having barely any tangles for being curly hair, like, look at how my comb slides through the hair. Like, y'all, I'm so glad they sent me this hair because I definitely buy it with my own money. I'm not even lying. Like, so yeah, guys, that's really it for this super simple tutorial on how to kind of revive your curls. Again, this hair is by Longqi Hair, and I have the Brazilian curly in a 20-inch, an 18-inch, a 16-inch, and a 16-inch frontal. If I didn't mention this before, this is an Aliexpress company. They did contact me to do a review on this hair, but once again, like, my opinions are completely my own. I'm not gonna get hair and front like it's good hair and it's not good hair. Like, I would never do that to y'all. So This hair, I really genuinely enjoy it. I did just receive it, so I'm definitely going to come back and do an update in about 2 weeks. And then maybe I'll do another update in about a month. So yeah, this is again Longqi hair. Oh, I do have a coupon code for this hair. It's Shayna J. I'll leave it down below to get some coins off these bundles that are already pretty inexpensive. So yeah, if you guys are looking for some vacation hair or some, you know, some really nice inexpensive curly hair, I think you should definitely go with Longqi hair. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down in the description box. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you guys want more quick fixes or, you know, quick little tips on how to revive or how to style your hair. Just let me know what you guys want to see, because I do want to put out more content that my viewers would actually like to see. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!